Hello, you little darlings. How are you all doing today? Good, 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 good. Right, today I'm going to do the second part of that £2 coin. I love these rings. I think they're just stunning. I call it the Predator. Right, first of all, let's bang a hole in it, shall we? Well, it's a beautiful day here in Finland today, Sunday. The sun has got its hat on, hip 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 hooray. It's about +2. It's cold, but there's no wind. It's a beautiful day, skies are blue. Let's go over to Big Bertha and see what she's going to do for us. Oh, she's leaking again. Makes a change, doesn't it? You naughty, naughty girl, Bertha. Right. Let's lift that up. No, let's not lift that up. Let's clean off the oil. And we'll go underneath, shall we? Yes, we shall. Okay, this is shot from underneath Big Bertha. I'll try to do a bit different filming, you know. Try and make it a bit more exciting for you. It's through. Just going to punch this through. Eventually it should come out. There you go. Happy days. Right, we're back at the table. What have we got? What have we got? Yeah, if you're looking for a custom ring, I'll happily make you one. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. All the rings in there, I can make them larger or smaller, within reason. You can even send me your own coins. Right, let us just clean that edge up a bit, shall we? You just want to clean it up, make sure there's no cracks or splits in there. There's a broken magnet stuck to my Christy burr. Oh, onions. I don't know why I do that, because Christy burr wasn't French, but there you go. It sounds French, doesn't it? Christy burr. Citron. Well, I went to see a band last night called Wasp. Unbelievable. They still kick ass. Right. Yeah, I like going to see a bit of opera. Right. I will. I'll just anneal this, but I won't film it because you've seen it 1,000 times before. Okie dokie, I've just annealed it. And obviously we want this side, sunny side up on the ring. Look at that design, man, it's crazy, isn't it? This is going to go face down in our little 17-degree folding die. Oh, got a bit of jollop in there, a bit of the old looby-loo. You can't beat a good bit of looby-loo on a Sunday, can you? Here we go, loopy-loo. Here we go, loopy-lie. How sad can I be? I can be really sad if I want to be, but there you go. Right. Yeah, I got him about 1 o'clock in the morning. My girlfriend just got up. believe it or not. The cats woke me up today. I need to give this a little bit of a go with the ball bearing. Right, face down, yes. I just need to get it started. It's been a bit awkward. That's better. Now we can go into our 17-degree folding die and hopefully do the business on it. If I don't get it level, I could do with a new magnet. That's good. How's it looking? Not too shabby. Beer, look at this. You're not going to believe what I've got. It's the same bit of paper, but it still works. So I'm so skint I can't afford to get any more sandpaper. Look at it now, it's a bit sad there. That ain't too bad. Right, I will stop the video and anneal it again, which you don't need to see, do you? Right, let's take a Mosley over to Spike. He's the ring stretcher in the family. He stretches your ring. Right. Bit of kitchen roll protects the inside of the coin ring, or eventually to be coin ring. It's going to be a small coin though. It's going to be a small coin ring, sorry to say. There you go. God. But this would be for somebody's pinky finger. Or if you're a predator, come and see me, man. I've got your ring. Right. I think that will do. See, there's no bow in it. It's just more cone shaped. It doesn't fit my finger though. Right. Let's go over to the bottom end of Spike and see what we can do here. There you go, that ain't too bad. Here's the reduction dies, and you're just looking to straighten them walls up a bit. There you go, look at that, perfectly straight walls. So let's clean it up and see what we got. Now, if you don't think this is the ultimate, I just think it's stunning. I love them. Right, he's too big to get in there. So I use a bit of quad zero steel wool on the inside. Just get the fire scale off and tidy it up a bit. There's not a lot going on the inside of this ring. Look at that. Crazy, isn't it? I love it. I could make it bigger. I could get it to fit my little finger, no problem. But I won't, in case there's any small-fingered aliens out there or predators. Right, let's put in Felton John. I'm still standing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Right, and we'll have a little bit of polish, wherever the polish is. Where is my polish? I don't know. You know me by now, people. I am Mr. Organised. That's the polish, man. Come on. There it is. It's right in front of me, as usual. Now the messy part. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to give me a bit of support, excuse me, there's a little red button, bottom right hand corner of this video. If you'd like to hit that, stuff happens. I don't know what happens, stuff happens. If you'd like to like the video, I'd really appreciate it. Could do with some more love. Couldn't we all do with some more love? I just love the design on this. Ouch. It's getting a bit warm. Too hot to handle. A bit like my girlfriend, she's too hot to handle. I said to her the other day, I said, you're so lucky you got me. I mean, I've only got you. And I got kicked where it hurts mostly. Right, let's clean off the mingers. And behold, I just love the design on this. I mean, if this was silver and made by some hoity-toity jeweller in London or New York, and they put this design on it, they'd sell it for thousands, you know. Oh yes, I designed it, and it's la-di-da. And this come out of a £2 bloody coin. And look at that, man. Or ladies, look at this. This will make a great engagement ring, you know. I mean, it's just stunning, isn't it? I mean, absolutely beautiful. I'm talking too much, but I just love it. Right, what size we got? It's a small ring, but I can make them bigger. This is a size. Oh, this will fit my girlfriend. This is a size 6, just over. It fits this finger perfectly though. So I'd just like to thank you for watching, and I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button for me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You're lovely people in my eyes. Lovely, lovely people. Lovely people. You know what I mean? Lovely, lovely. And have a great week. Keep smiling. And don't let the bastards get you down. So bye-bye.